To consistently produce high-quality paper cups, choose new Debao intelligent paper cup machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you the NEWTOP-118C high-speed intelligent paper cup machine from Debao. It's widely used in customizing high-end tall cups, cold drink cups, milk tea cups, and milk cups. The NEWTOP-118C can produce high-end paper balls with paper thickness of 320 micron to 500 micron. The capacity of the machine is up to 120 pieces per minute, stable and good quality. The machine is good for making 16 to 26 ounce cold or hot paper cups. The model is mainly used to produce tall paper cups, such as 20 to 26 ounce high-end paper cups. Hot air and ultrasonic working together for stronger size sealing. 3-step hot air for bottom sealing to ensure the bottom knurling is tight enough to avoid leakage problem. Euro station spooling for perfect paper ball molding. Debao people strive for excellence and have been deeply involved in the field of paper cup machines for 23 years. With the spirit of craftsmanship, the pursuit of high quality, and the concept of leading technology, we strive to create new value for customers every time. Stable, durable, good quality, NEWTOP intelligent paper cup machine make the work so simple.